Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to Thunder Zeus for your first 13 weather alert. So I'm gonna give you updates based on this hour at msn.com/severe weather/forecast/weather alert, and we are expecting an important message for an emergency alert. We are having a wind advisory, and for tomorrow, 8 to 10 a.m., winds 25 to 35 miles per hour. We're about to increase winds for this night, and at the afternoon, it will be increasing 35 to 65 miles per hour, which is bad winds, devil winds, and so that like tonight we might get some. We are going to increase winds, but the wind gusts at the afternoon will. Okay, here's the wind gusts for tonight.
Tonight or tomorrow?
Both. Okay, tonight wind gusts will be increasing to just 45 miles per hour, which is great. That's winds to 15 to 25 miles per hour. Our wind right now is 5 to 15 miles per hour. And at the morning, the wind gusts will be increasing, and the winds is 25 to 30 miles per hour. Wind gusts will be increasing to 65 miles per hour. Wind gusts for the afternoon. What was that again? 35 to 65 miles per hour. On 65 mile per hour winds, it might be less than that. Well, it might be a 65 mile per hour wind. The wind gusts will be increasing to 85 miles per hour. The winds are still going to increase for tomorrow night. And temperatures for today, you know that it's going to be like just around 88 tomorrow, which is great. Well, it's going to be freezing cold on Sunday, you know. And Sunday, not freezing cold on Sunday, not the day on Sunday. It'll be on Sunday night, because, you know, it'll be on the 50s, and it might take a long time.
Just cold, not freezing cold.
Yeah, it's just going to be cold on Sunday, and just on the 50-degree temperature for Sunday night, which is crazy. Maybe on Boulder City, its lows on Sunday night might go to 48 degrees or 49 degrees. Enterprise, same thing. Like Boulder City, you might get increasing of 50 degrees. Well, it might be just going to 47 degrees on the morning, then just increasing high. Well, today's temperatures was just like around the 90s today. When I went out, it was hot. It was just hot and dry. You know, it's dry here in Las Vegas, but we have to get ready for climate change. Everyone knows that climate change is here. So, as we bring along for us the radar, well, it is going to be clear. Well, no rain is expected to come through. We might get some clouds. Well, there is clouds always in someday, but not in someday. Well, some clouds reach somewhere. Well, the clouds get some, might rain, but might be cloudy. Cloudy with windy skies. Cloudy skies with windy conditions. But that's the end of 13 Action News, first 13 weather alert. Thank you for watching Thunder Zeus. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channels and like all my videos. And I have 2 subscribers already. And if you were in a family that has one more subscriber, because when I was watching my YouTube channel, it told I have 2 subscribers. Well, like all my videos and leave me down the comments below. What will be the weather while climate change is here on fall. Well, we might see the season on Halloween, but on October 31, 2019, I will report you the first 13 weather alerts on October 31st, 2019 on my dress up like, oh, that time, no. I don't know. When it's Halloween, I gotta dress up a costume while I'm doing the first 13 weather alert, okay? Thanks for watching. Bye!